Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Today, we're learning how to count in Sepedi. Are you ready, kids?
Yeah!
Abuti, can you teach us the word for one in Sepedi?
Te.
Di.
And what is two in Sepedi?
Pedi.
Pedi.
And three?
Taro.
Taro.
And what is four?
Ne.
And five?
Plano.
What is six?
Tsela.
Sila.
And seven?
Shupa.
Shuba.
And eight?
Seswai.
Siswai.
And nine?
Senyane.
Senyane.
And what is 10 in Sepedi?
Lesome.
So, we have te,
Di.
pedi, taro, nne, tlano, tsela,
Sila.
shupa,
Shuba.
seswai,
Siswai.
senyane,
Senyane.
and lesome. And now you can count from 1 to 10 in Sepedi. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.
Shalachabotse.